Okay, I'm done. Um, she's a little hot. I'll start it and rev it and kind of let you listen to it. I You don't want to do damage to it just by doing this and sitting in one place. So, as you can see, there's plenty of snow on the ground, and I'm working in probably 38 degrees. So we're gonna have some tuning to do in the summertime, but it shouldn't be bad. Okay, so here we go. Oh, come on, baby. Okay, what I'm looking for is about 10 to 11 right there, right? It's popping a little. I've got a little work to do yet, but all in all, she's a solid running Guzzi. And I'll refine it from there. But that will get it running. If you got an old goose, that kind of tune will at least make it run, and you can tweak it with your fuel mixture a little bit and with your air mixture, and then recheck your slides and you're done. All right, well, have fun. Later.